Hey, it's Jess from Head to Toe Health. I'm just going to run through a VMO exercise today. So this is really good for retraining your patellar tracking. So we're going to find the medial part of the quad. So to do that, you contract the quad by pushing the knee down to the floor, and you're going to just trace around the end of that muscular area there. If you make a circle out of there, you get about the range that we want to work with. So you can put a cross there if you need to, but we're looking at just inside that meaty part of the quad. So relax the leg, you're going to tap through there 3 times and then contract. So 1 or 2 fingers, tap, 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 contract, relax, tap, 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 contract, relax, tap, 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 contract, and relax. So you're going to do 15 reps of those, 2 to 3 sets. Generally you do them both sides. So do one side, then do the other side. That can count as your rest for the first side. Go back and just alternate that way until you're done. So as a progression of that exercise, sit on a bar stool, preferably something high where your leg is free to swing, maybe a bench, something like that. And what you're going to do, you're going to use the same spot that we were working with, tap, 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 and you're going to straighten the leg out. So this puts more load onto that quad